Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Snow is falling, lights aglow. A little cabin, a fire's warm throw. From the forest to the city street, a magic journey, oh so sweet. Here they come, the trucks of red and white.
This is one of the easiest and most efficient ways to create high quality, professional looking AI 3D short films. The results are so impressive that they genuinely feel like expensive, studio level animation projects. The best part? You only need to type a simple prompt, and the AI handles everything behind the scenes while still giving you full creative control. I'm genuinely excited about this, so let's jump right in. To get started, we'll be using Flova AI. Accessing it is simple. Just click Join, sign up with your Gmail account, and on your first sign up, you'll receive 1,000 free credits. Once inside, you'll see the interface along with several pre generated videos. For example, there's a Wednesday inspired clip showcase here. These samples are meant to give you inspiration and a clear idea of what the platform is capable of producing. To begin creating your own project, head to the prompt section. When you click on the model selector, you'll notice an extensive list of AI models. This includes image models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Midjourney, GPT-1, and a wide range of AI video generators such as Sora 2, Kling 2.6, Minimax AI, and Cdance. Everything is conveniently available in one place. Beyond video tools, Flova AI also includes built-in music generation tools, and at this stage, all you need to do is type a simple idea for your story. To make things easier, I'll head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a few 3D animated short film ideas. Once I find an idea I like, simply copy it and paste it into the prompt box. If you already have your own idea, you can use that. After that, go back to the model section and select Nano Banana Pro as the primary model. For video generation, I choose Veo 3.1 Fast and Sora 2, though you're free to select any models based on your preferences. Next is the music selection. The AI can automatically analyze the story and add appropriate background music. But to be safe, I manually select Suno and 11 Labs. If you have reference images, audio files, or a pre-written script, you can upload them here as well. But I let Flova AI handle everything and simply click on Generate. At this point, the AI agent starts working. So it builds the full story, defines the visual style, sets the pacing, and designs the soundscape. So it even determines the video length, aspect ratio, and target audience, all automatically. Once that's done, the AI moves on to the storyboard. Here, you'll see a complete outline of how the story will be structured, including which models will be used for specific scenes. Flava AI intelligently switches between models depending on the complexity of each shot. When prompted, simply type continue and confirm. The AI then generates the main characters and visuals by analyzing the entire story. If you want to make changes, you can regenerate or edit any image at any time. The tool even keeps previous versions, allowing you to compare results side by side. You can also switch models such as Flux, GPT, Seedream, or Midjourney V7 without restarting the process. Now, once you're satisfied, hit continue again, and the platform begins generating the visual assets. Each video clip is created based on the images, and if you don't like a clip, you can regenerate it instantly. This step by step flow continues until all sets are ready. You'll also see the generated audio file. If you want different music, you can regenerate it, but if you're happy, just continue. And finally, you'll arrive at the timeline editor. This looks and feels like a professional video editor. All video clips, voiceovers, background music, and dialogue are already placed according to the story. You can trim clips, adjust sound effects, and fine tune the music directly inside the platform. No internal editing software needed. Once everything looks good, simply click Export to render the final video. Let's watch it. So, the end result is a cinematic, emotionally engaging short film, complete with perfectly timed dialogue, sound effects, and visuals. While it's not 100% perfect, any minor issues can easily be fixed by regenerating or trimming specific clips. What's truly impressive is that all of this comes from typing a single prompt. You just review and you're fine, and the AI handles the heavy lifting. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Videsha, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Videsha crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Videsha handle the rest. Videsha gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Videsha now. Just go to getvidesha.in.